this is Lucia at Lushspaces. I am a garden designer, horticulturist and a plant lover. And today I want to share a few benefits, especially the health benefits of indoor plants that you might not know about. So let's dig right into it. And so the first benefit I want to talk about is their healing benefit. Plants are a natural medicine. The study from the Kansas University shows that patients that were surrounded by plants in a hospital had lower blood pressure, lower incidence of pain, also less anxiety, and their healing time was better and shorter. So if you know anyone who is in a hospital right now, bring them a plant. It will be a huge benefit to them and also a nice reminder of you as a person caring for them. And when they will be nurturing the plant, they will also nurture your relationship. So the second health benefit is that they absorb toxins. So you probably know about photosynthesis, which is the reaction that happens in plants. So you can research this if you want, if you are interested more into it. But the idea behind this is that plants take carbon dioxide from the environment and also water while they root, and they transform it into food for them. So they transform it into sugars, and the byproduct of it is that they release oxygen. So they absorb low levels of toxins from our environment, like from our homes, from offices, for example, benzene, which is really bad for you. And some plants are very good at this job. For example, the sansevieria that I have at the back, so mother-in-law tongue or the snake's plant, also aloe vera, which is just at the back, and spathiphyllum, so the peace lily. These are all very good plants for clearing out the air. So the third health benefit of indoor plants is that they help to filter microbes. It's proven by research that rooms filled in with indoor plants have 50 to 60% less airborne microbes. So things like mold spores or bacteria appear less in the rooms that are filled with these beautiful green creatures. So the health benefit number 4 is that they increase humidity and moisture in the atmosphere and in the environment. So in fact, about 10% from the humidity in the atmosphere comes from plants, and the same applies for the indoor plants. Think about greenhouse. Everyone who knows what I'm talking about, it's like a humid jungle. And the feeling when you're getting out of the greenhouse and your skin is just radiant and glowy is amazing. And interestingly, there's been a huge research done by the University of Norway that shows that increasing the moisture in the atmosphere actually reduces dry cough, dry skin, and also things like cold and flu. So just by adding plants into your environment, you increase in moisture in the atmosphere and you feel more beautiful and more healthy. Isn't that amazing? And the last benefit of indoor plants is that they help us to improve work environment. And what I mean by this is that plants help us be more productive, just like being outside in the nature. I love being outside in the nature, and whenever I cannot get out, at least I take care of my plants home. And that lifts up my spirits, it increases my oxytocin levels, and I also get more productive. Plants could also help with your concentration, with your memory and memory retention. So think about it, just by having plants around you, you get all these benefits. Isn't that just incredible? So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up if you like this video, and also comment below. I would love to create a little tribe of people that are interested in these topics and in nature. I'm also going to create a list of the beneficial plants below. These will be the plants that are beneficial for cleaning up the air and making our environments more healthy and more happy. So bye for now and have a splendid day.